So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem connecting to the Dota 2 game coordinator logging in problem in your Dota 2, so guys watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, firstly, if you guys facing this problem in the Dota 2 game, you have to watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today in the Dota 2 game there are many pupils facing this problem today. So guys, this is the server issue and you are not only one, many people facing this problem in Dota 2 game today. So guys, what you have to do, so guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour because this is the server issue and Dota 2 team working on fixing the servers of the Dota 2 game. So guys, it may take some minute or an hour and this problem is automatically solved in some minute or an hour. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and if you guys having any other problem in the Dota 2, you can comment me and I'm trying to solve your problem. And guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.